Muscle meets SUV in one seriously wild package. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat isn't just a family hauler, it's a straight-up performance beast. If you thought muscle cars couldn't double as SUVs, this Hellcat is here to prove you wrong. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides so you know exactly what's worth your time. Design. The Durango SRT Hellcat makes no apologies. From the aggressive front grille and signature Hellcat badging to the sculpted hood with a massive air intake, this SUV commands attention. Bold 20-inch wheels, wide fenders, and quad exhaust tips round out a look that screams power while still being surprisingly refined for an SUV this size. Performance. Under the hood is a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine pumping out a staggering 710 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 710 horses pulling a hefty SUV that rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. With an 8-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive, the Durango SRT Hellcat offers blistering acceleration with confident handling and surprising agility for such a muscular beast. Features and technology. Dodge hasn't skimped on tech either. Inside, you get a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium sound system, wireless charging, and a full suite of driver assist features including adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, balancing luxury with a race-inspired vibe. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat the ultimate muscle SUV? If you crave insane power with everyday usability, it's hard to beat. What do you think? Is this your dream family hauler? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, no-nonsense takes on the hottest vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.